What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mike, your boy Mr. cHoW here, coming at you with a video. In today's video, we're going to be doing some fishing, freshwater fishing, and I'm with my boy Ryan. Say what up, Ryan.
What's going on, guys?
And
hopefully we get some nice bites today.
That's what we're hoping for.
Here's one of my Pro Max Abu Garcia bait casting reels.
Very nice.
These are a whole bunch of Googan baits, you know, variety different ones, and here you're like top water frogs, lizards, Senkos, flukes, from Texas rig it, Carolina rig it, whatever. And then, you know, I got some line over here, some spinner baits, some crank baits, just like a variety of different ones. And dude, I had like 4 tables before.
Yeah.
This is mostly like my personal stuff.
Oh wow, a lot of stuff.
Some crawdads.
Wow.
Some flukes, yeah.
I hear you.
Some tube jigs.
And what are we going to be using today, Ryan?
So today I got rigged up a chatterbait.
Okay.
A nice little fluke on the end of it with the trailer. Texas rig, Carolina rig, and wacky rig Senkos. Rooster tails, mostly moving baits. And then we might tie on some like inline spinners and stuff.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, maybe some grubs too.
And I hope we get some good bites, some good action. We'll catch up with you guys when we get over to the pond. But first I want to show you this. So what do we got here?
These are mostly moving baits, like just a variety of different stuff, but spinners, crankbaits, chatterbaits. I only really purchase what really works for me.
Makes sense.
This is the good stuff. Spinner baits too.
Beautiful.
Z-Man, of course. Booyah, all of them.
There you have it.
These are like for trout and stuff. So many. Tackle galore over here.
You know that's right.
And, oh, we did show them all the fishing line.
Oh, wow. Here we go.
If you need line, this is what I have left. I had 4 of these containers full. They just sold out last month.
You got plenty here. We're
So,
set.
If you guys need any, I still have some willing to give for
Sounds like a plan, my man.
price. I got like the
Oh, yeah.
angle it. That's what I do. Yeah, you can get a cool shot. Oh, shit. You can get a cool
There we
shot
go.
of this.
Beautiful rod and reel combo. Amazing. All right, everybody. So we'll check up with you guys and check back in when we get to the ponds, like I said originally. Let's get it.
And then the pliers were up. Here's how you start off the day, guys. Got all your
What do we got here?
Get your smoothie can and Dunkin', and then you're good to go.
Good to go.
Iced tea.
Word to me.
Some water, and here we go.
Let's get it. Always made in America, folks. You already know what time it is. All right, so we're on the way to the spot, on our way to the pond right now. Ryan's just taking care of business. As you can see, you know what time it is. Almost there. Gonna catch some lunkers. You know what time it is.
Little moving baits we got for today. Little flukes and wacky rigs, Texas rigs, and Carolina rigs.
You heard it here first. Almost at our spot right now. Yeah. Almost there. It might start raining, so we got to be mindful of that and go right now as we are going right now and make sure we get some good bites and catch some good fish. Looks like someone's over there. We got competition. Come on now. Let's get it. Oh, it's Matt, not a stranger. Come on now. Matt Money, what's going on, bro? Yo, it's been a minute, dude. How are you?
Doing pretty well. How about you?
Good, man.
Nice.
I like the facial hair.
Yeah, I like
You look, dude, you look old, man.
I know.
You're very mature right now.
Dude,
Word to me.
Let's fucking go to the casino.
Let's get it. So this is one of 2 or 3 ponds on this location. Here we are. See what we got here. What are you ripping on, Matt?
This is actually my dad's. Look, The end
Oh, no, nice, man. That's cool.
Yeah. I saw you like.
So Matt and I are going to grab our fishing poles now and join in on the action. Let's get it. So we got our poles now, and we are ready. Ready to get this chicken, or get these fish. Oh yeah, man. There you go. Good money. What we can catch here. So Matt just caught his first catch of the day.
Nice, decent sized largemouth. Nice, Matt.
Nice specimen right here.
Fluke.
Hold it up, Ryan. Let me see it when you get that hook out. Is it wedged in there pretty good? Let me see. Oh, beautiful. Nice. Money shot.
Hold it, Matt.
No, hold it.
No?
Can I hold it, bro? Yo, let me hold it real quick. I haven't held a fish in a minute. Look at this guy right here. Give me back that fillet fish. Give me that fish. Woo! Matt, you want it or I can toss it?
Toss it.
All right, bro. Here we go. Bye, buddy. Take it easy.
Oh, here we go.
Happy swimming. All right, let me get going with my own rod and reel.
Let's get. Wait.
Damn, that had some distance to it, bro. Word of me.
Oh, no. No, you're good. You're good. And then I was going to get one from there.
Yep.
Get all like a 3D shot.
Yeah, I hear you, man. Definitely. Very nice, very nice. All right, it's time for me to put in some work, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get it.
That's like right over
All right,
there.
let's get it. Hold on, real. 1 second. All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1.
We got to go to the casino.
Yeah, true.
Mike, do you know how many times we went to the fucking casino?
Oh, yeah, I bet. Quite a few.
My cousin goes like almost every week.
We went at like 2 o'clock in the morning one time.
Dude,
No way,
Yeah.
really? Wow.
That's how bad.
Commitment
Our
right there.
yeah, we're like compulsive gamblers.
I hear you.
No, but like I was telling Matt, like when I was at my aunt's lake house, since she's so close to Mohegan, like it's like a half an hour ride. I would go there like so many times during the day.
Matt, I'm surprised you caught a fish. It was your first cast, right?
Yeah, first cast.
Very nice. See, now I'm jealous that we switched rod and reel combos.
Yeah.
You know? But it's all good. It's meant to be. Oh, something's trailing. Oh, no, that's just debris. Take one more cast. Oh, I got something. Yeah, buddy.
Oh my.
Money shot, baby. Yeah. Look at this little guy right here. Yeah, it is. Look at that, baby. Look at that, Alina. Come on now. Told you I was bringing home dinner. Winner, winner, chicken or fish dinner. Yo, stop shaking her. I'm going to smack you. Ryan, the hook's in a mad weird place. You want to help me out here, bro? All right, word. I'm gonna. Hey, easy, buddy. Yeah, he's too slippery to even grab. Look at that. Look at that. There we go. Good stuff. Now let me get the hook out. Peace. Caught that bad girl off this baby right here.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. If I don't say so myself. There's Ryan getting money. Money shot right here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hope he catches the lunker. Maybe not. Not this time, but next time. We'll see.
Yeah.
Try this bad girl out.
Yo, you were so close.
I know, right? Catch another one right now. Come on. Come on now. Ryan, come on, bro. You gotta catch something. Well, I'm trying to get the bigger ones over here. You guys are catching the bigger. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, it's not gonna work. Watch this. Oh, I don't even. Wait. Watch this. Oh, yeah? Okay.
Oh, wow. Right next to me. Good job, Ryan. Good job. Good idea. So here's one of the other ponds that we're not really fishing in right now. We don't really have any top water bait or top water action equipment. We just brought some spinners, some rooster tails, some wacky worms. Nothing for top water though, for the most part, as far as I know. So we're over here right now getting money, catching fish in this pond, as you can see. Matt's making out pretty well. Him and I both caught a little smallmouth, a largemouth bass. First catch of the day. Hopefully many more to come. We'll see. Time will tell. Let's get it. Good money. Might switch back to that rooster tail in a minute. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. You got something? Snag?
Dude, what if I caught one of those huge snappers? That video would be sick.
I know, right? Alright, I'm gonna switch to a rooster tail. Get money.
I was downstairs, Matt.
Let's test this bad girl out. What
Get
do we got here, Ryan? What do we got here?
variety of different soft plastics. You got flukes, Senkos. Just a
An
variety
assortment
of
of things.
these. Let me
Can't
show you
beat it.
these ones I just got. They're what are they? Like a sherbet color.
Oh,
they're
let's
like
see.
orange. What the hell are they?
They in there?
They were in there.
You're gonna find them. The last one. Watch.
Oh, here.
All right, cool. Oh, very nice, man.
Yeah.
Nice. Good stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch to.
Now let's get back to fishing.
Did you see my reel I posted, Matt? On Instagram. It was like 4 days ago. It's like a reel. I edited it. I made like that new edit video thing. This one. Of the warehouse. Dude, I should probably make a tackle with like a fucking warehouse down there. Dude, did you hear what they found?
Gang, gang.
Barbecue drive all you like up here. He's like,
Let's get it. Keep coming. Yeah. Matt, how are your folks? They good?
Yeah,
That's good.
yeah.
Mom and Kathy, world's best parents.
Yeah.
Joe, your mom used to make some banging mac and cheese.
Oh yeah, I know.
You know?
She still does.
I bet she does. does. Oh, I just had a bite, but I lost it. Oh, God. Oh, well.
Oh yeah, remember Tommy touched your mom's ass? And, like,
Oh, my God. Yeah. I don't even know where to go with that. That was crazy. When was that?
That was in second grade or something.
Yeah.
He's so crazy.
How did he react again? What did he do?
He was like, throwing that to your
Oh,
mom.
I remember that. Yeah. Yeah, he had some balls back then. His balls dropped in second grade. That's funny.
Yeah, dude, remember, I think you like hit a golf ball and knocked out one of your windows, remember?
Yeah.
You were doing golf. Dude, back then, oh my God. Did you guys hang out with DeZenzo too?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I remember when DeZenzo and all of them got a taser and they were like trying to tase everybody. I don't know if you remember that.
What?
Oh, that was with D'Agostino
Oh,
too.
D'Agostino, yeah.
No, Dan Russo, remember?
Oh, yeah.
I still hang out with him sometimes.
Do you?
He's at the UPS now.
Oh, yeah. He's been there for a minute now.
He's been there for like years. I think.
Yeah, really. Like Ryan was with Macy.
Yeah. He works like 20, 25 hours there.
Work 25 hours?
Yeah, he loads like a lot of bottles. It's pretty intense work. I used to.
Yeah, it is. I was about to work there myself.
Dude, I worked there for seasonal. Dude, it's brutal.
Did you though, or you didn't end up working there?
I didn't have to work.
Yeah, me either.
Dude, it's fucking insane there to work there, man.
It is. It really
You gotta
is.
be like a truck driver.
Yeah, that wouldn't be bad.
Like what Joe is, something like that. He works his way out.
Oh yeah, Joe does that.
You
Yeah.
get up to like 40 an hour one day, man.
40 an hour. I can't imagine that.
That's insane. That's good chicken.
Plus overtime. Help everything.
Yeah, I think Joe's gonna be there for a while.
Well, the motor on my cHoW. Yeah, if you make your own business, you know, like Arson probably pulls it.
Yeah, Arson does pretty well for himself.
He's got 2 gyms.
Really does.
Pulls it 6 feet.
He's opening another gym in like Long.
Oh my God, it's already open.
You got one? Nice. Matt got one. You lost it?
The snapper,
No, like, shit, I wanna break it.
oh, you got a snapping turtle. I think you got
He's got a lunker of a snapping turtle. He's still probably on the line.
He's still on the line. I'm trying to reel it in.
Oh, he's a beast.
Wait, where's your snack?
Not just Matt, but the fish.
Where, you snack?
See if there's a fish. Yeah.
Do you see the fish?
Wait, what?
Huh. Either he snagged or he has some fish on the line. What happened?
I think it's a snapping turtle.
What? Oh, gosh.
There's no way it's gonna snap the line. Should we just snap the line or not? Just pull on it.
Ryan hates snapping the line.
Like, if it's a snapper.
Let's see what we got going on here, everyone. Ryan hates snapping turtles. Oh my gosh.
Dude, it's so fucking heavy, right?
Yeah, that's a snapper. Or it's a fucking.
Or a cinder block.
Or it's a catfish.
Something like that. Nice, Ryan. Good money.
Snapper turtle, yeah,
It was? Oh, okay.
I think, dude, I got literally like, I think I got like $80 in like checking, but I gotta pay my state taxes.
$80 in your checking?
Yeah, that's it. No, I invest everything now.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah.
I did that for a minute, but
Well, I owe that. I just I had to give the state $400 for state taxes, but I got like a couple thousand from the federal.
I got like 2,500.
Yeah, I got. But the state, I always pay them back because I'm not like I'd rather pay the money every year than take it out of my pay. So.
Yeah.
But every time I'm like, should I gamble a little bit of this or just invest it? Because if you invest it, it's a lot better than gambling. So.
Yeah.
But last
Investing's
time
kinda like
last time I went was with. Oh wait, no, I went one time after. But when I went with you, I did pretty well. Like made out.
Oh yeah,
$70.
this machine in the
Yeah.
Sky Tower.
Yeah.
How is the Sky Tower? That's the newest edition, right?
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah.
I heard.
No, it's
I got. Oh, fuck!
It's called.
Excuse my French. I just had one, motherfucker. Hit it. It hit it hard too. Damn it! I'm gonna catch it. Come on. Now.
The guy
Oh fuck! That's the grass.
You're gonna snap the turtle over there.
I'm gonna snag myself.
You're gonna get a big old
No, I had a nice bite, but I didn't land it.
like the wolf on
I
Wall
see it.
Street.
You see it?
Yeah, it's like to the left a little bit.
Is it really? Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
Let's see.
A little bit to the left.
No, dude, Mike, Sky Casino.
Yeah.
Once I heard about it, I said, "Fuck yeah, I'm
You're
always
right
going.
there.
It's so much better there." And they got roulette and stuff over there too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Mike, you ever go to the
I just do
casino?
digital.
Yeah, I've been there before. Haven't gone like competitively speaking, but I've dabbled.
But when I go straight to digital, high limit room, and then I'll just scatter around the machine. So I got a new strategy. Just put like 25 in each machine. If it doesn't do well, you go.
Exactly, yeah. That's what we were doing like that one time a little bit.
Yeah.
We were doing
Well, I
like
mean,
four spins, and then we leave if we don't hit
It's like
it.
hit or miss.
We actually got the bonus on one of them,
Yeah.
but it didn't pay out that much.
Oh, dude, Matt, tell him, Mike, when I went with Matt one time, it was the day after my birthday, we went to did the Wheel of Fortune Gold Spin.
Yeah.
I
Oh
threw
my.
a 10 a spin, and I hit the 1200.
No.
My last, like, what am I
Last like
Did
10
you
bucks.
claim it? You claimed it?
Yeah, I got it was a hand pen.
Wow, good for you,
I'm
man.
like, holy shit. Matt's like, oh, 120 bucks. I'm
That's what I thought it was,
like, Matt,
120.
that's fucking 1200.
Yeah, big difference, man.
I gotta post that video. And then before that, when I was with my uncle, he hit 2200 on the Wheel of Fortune, the high limit room. But here's the thing: when everyone wins, they tell about all the wins, but they don't tell about how much they lost.
Yeah.
And personal losses, I'm probably at least $5 grand deep.
You think?
I'm down like $5 grand only on one.
Oh wow, no way.
Yeah.
Could be
But
worse.
it's not like that. It's just personal losses, you know. Those suck, like,
One more cast.
I just every time I go, I think I'm like, dude, if I go this time, I'm either gonna win or lose. I'm just gonna keep balancing out. So what's the point? So I just stayed away for a while. Or you can just think of it as like entertainment.
Yeah, that's what I think of it as.
Yeah, but Mohegan's a pretty solid place.
Yeah.
Oh,
Have you been to Foxwoods?
I haven't been to Foxwoods.
Yeah, I've been there. I like Mohegan better.
Really?
Yeah, it's just,
Foxwoods
I don't know why, but I just do.
Just the vibe.
Exactly. I think that's what it is.
Dude, Foxwoods sucks.
Yes,
You
sir.
have a card, Mike? But do they still have, oh, you're recording?
Yeah, no, dude, it's all good though.
Look at this.
Look at this.
I'm gonna switch to a Texas rig.
Heard you.
Well,
Yeah, they do.
Only landed 2 fish today between Matt and myself. Hopefully we start catching some more, and hopefully this action picks up.
When I was with my cousin and Mike, listen to this.
Yeah, I'm listening.
I was so pissed. Well, I remember people would throw chairs at the machines too.
Like a bad $10,000 day down the drain. Oh, dude, I went to Foxwoods and Mohegan.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
We got the squirrel call on deck.
Is that one up there?
There you have it.
It was too much, I guess. I'm gonna get a newer one though. Dodge Dart I have is in the shop.
Oh, you have a Dodge Dart?
Yeah, I got my uncle.
Nice. There we go.
Hi, Seiko!
Let's see. Hold her up. Very nice, man. Very nice. Nice specimen.
Release.
Bye-bye.
Cold.
Yeah, fail. That's a dub.
That's a dub.
And a half. All good though.
There we go.
Good money. Money shot. Yeah, guys, it's starting to rain a little bit.
Yeah, I feel
Couple drops here and there. Never hurt anyone though. All good for now. Oops.
no.
Anyways,
Razapam.
the recipe. No, it's all good, man. No time for swimming right now. See what we got here. Ryan, you had a bite in this area, right?
Yeah, that was a tiny one.
Was it? Oh, okay.
But I saw it. It was small.
I hear you. See what we can do here. A lot of weeds and stuff. Kind of difficult, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, Matt, is Tommy with anyone? Is he dating anyone or not?
He lives that single life too much.
Oh, for real, for real?
Yeah.
I hear you.
I was here one day, it was a thunderstorm.
Yeah.
Fucking bolt hit that. The power line.
Oh, damn, right into the weeds. Come on, I need a fish. Come on, where to meet? And I got weeds. That's tough. Yo, Matt, do you remember that night we went to Fairfield Hills?
Yeah.
And we got back, and I dropped you off at your car, and then or maybe I got you an Uber home or something.
Yeah,
but
you did, yeah.
Either way, when we got back to my crib, remember I dropped Alina, my girl, off in
Yeah,
Meriden,
and
and
then you got
then I went back and got her, man. Oh my gosh, it's all good. She still slept over. It was a good night.
Nice. You were living in a program then, right?
Yeah, man.
Oh, dude, I was in a program last month.
Were you? How was that?
Dude, it sucked.
Did it?
I was there for like 2 weeks. Brandon sucked.
Yeah, I
Really?
can't. Like, freaking, no, my book even say how.
Go for it, brother. No, you're good. Try it again. Oh, you hit my leg, bro. The camera? All right, we'll see. See how good your accuracy is. How good your aim is. Mad close, though. Almost there. One more try. Oh, you hit the camera. You're a professional, my man. That was awesome. Me. Matt's straight chilling.
I wouldn't think it'd be that deep.
Yeah, right? It doesn't look like it is.
Yeah.
Looks kind of shallow. Oh, hell no. You almost got it again. Oh, there was a bass following my spinner or my rooster tail.
I was actually gonna hit up. It's gonna get
See,
wings.
if you had a car, Ryan, or we had a car, we could
I
go
would
to
be
Webb.
getting wings.
Or
Oh,
that,
like,
and
I would be getting wings at like probably Buffalo Wild Wings or something. Yeah.
that. Ryan, watch out. The camera's right there, brother. Oh, you're good, man.
The pink one's not working.
It's not.
I mean, pink.
Yo, what's
Orange.
a good spot to go for catfish?
Housatonic River.
Oh, yeah, I remember that.
The Hoosie, yeah.
And for striper,
The
right?
spot, yeah, the spot Mike showed me a long time ago. Mike and
Right off the railroad tracks, right?
Mike and yeah, yep.
Come on now.
You got to go to Cornwall to be honest.
Oh yeah. What, is that where your boat is?
No, that's it's the Housatonic River, but it's like
Oh,
it
that
goes
part
in.
of it?
It's like super clear. I have like 8 spots marked down there,
Yeah.
like kind of hidden spots, and dude, you catch them left and right. 4-pound smallmouth from the river. They fight super hard, dude.
Solid.
They fight wicked hard, bro. You know Alex Prover's cousin, Nick?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, he's been hitting me up. He wants to go there.
All right.
I'm not gonna go. I
Sorry about the vape. Sorry, but not really sorry. Anyways, the three of us have been getting bites. Matt and I actually caught 2. They were all right sized, pretty small though when all is said and done. We caught 2 largemouth bass, And Ryan had a really solid heavy bite, but he lost it while he was reeling the bass in. So for the most part, we're doing all right. Not really crazy bites or crazy hits, but yeah, we're still optimistic. Hopefully we can still catch some bass, some lunkers while we're here. If not, it's been a great adventure and a great time. So yeah.
Should have got it with the bait caster.
Look at that action. Pristine.
That's why I use like.
What'd you say?
That's why I like using white and like chartreuse. You can see them better.
Yeah, those colors, yeah.
Like, the action.
Right, makes sense. Heard you. Ryan just brought in a decent bass for y'all. Let's go check it out. Let's see.
What's the bass today?
Yeah, it is smaller than Matt and mine. And there he goes. Swim away, little buddy. Swim away. Yeah, damn bastard, right? I remember. Check it. Good stuff right here, ladies and gentlemen. Good stuff. Heard you. So over here we have this one pond. Then we're fishing on this one right here. And then over there in the distance, you can't really see it, but there's another pond that's like a circular pond in the distance. But yeah, we were gonna go down there, but there's people in that residence right there in that house. So we don't really want to intrude on their property while they're home, and more specifically speaking, just in general. But yeah, there's another pond down there too. Get money, Ryan. Get it, get it, get it. So at this point, we've all caught a fish. No complaints. Wish we could have caught more so far at this point, but it is what it is. Still a good time. You know what time it is.
Next to the Mexican. It's on the post road.
Oops. That's a duck.
Oh, you pulled a man.
Yeah, right. I hear you. Come on, fish. Bite.
There's definitely something over here.
Yeah, I know. I saw that earlier. The other one. No bites right now. What, intrude? Oh, hell no. That's a duck. Who, me? Yeah. Dude, I haven't talked to him in a minute. It's been a long time. I think he lives in New Haven, though.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah, right. When he was where? What, at the pond? Oh, no, I don't think so. Actually, I might have been, yeah. I don't know. I don't remember.
Is Robbie still with Spencer?
Dude, I don't know, honestly.
Dude,
If they have, that's been forever. What was that?
Robbie pulls a dime like that. Oh shit, I think I caught it.
Heard you.
Dude, you got one now. Oh shit.
You got one.
Help me out.
Is it a snapping turtle? What the?
Snapper.
Is it a lunker or a snag or a turtle? Is it?
No. Hold up. Oh, you got snagged.
He snagged?
Yeah, that's snagged.
Oh, is he?
Second time today.
No, the first time was a snapper.
Oh, first time.
This is
Just as a snag, a generic snag. Yeah, I see that. I see that right there. Oh well. Hopefully there's more to come. Not snags, but I'm talking about fish. You heard? I just got a bite, but no. Yep. But nothing when all is said and done. Oh yeah, dude, the pull and plunge. I remember that. That was a good time.
How cold was it?
Dude, it was pretty freezing, I'm not gonna lie. It was cold.
Dude, I jumped on top of a snapping turtle.
You did? When we jumped in? I think I remember you said that. Yeah, I heard. I remember. Right? You're lucky, man. If that's what it was.
Yeah, because the Deej and Arrow was there. I don't know how they figured out this ball. Deej? Yeah, he was there. He was the first one that jumped in.
And then he's like, I'm like, no, they're stopping for me, right? Sounds like a deed forever.
I went for an oil change there once. I think I saw him there. Oh no, I saw him.
So it started raining, as you could see. It is what it is. Look at that Megatron right there, ladies and gentlemen.
8 stainless steel.
Beautiful,
bearings.
beautiful. Very nice. For the video, jump in, right? 3, 2, 1, go. He's off it. You almost did it. Almost committed. Not quite, though. Dude, that would be impressive. I'm not going to lie. It is raining, starting to pick up pretty heavy right now. Not too bad, but still, it is coming down, as you can see in the water. Alright, so we're still out here. We are still out here fishing. Have gotten several bites. Haven't landed anything since that last fish that I caught. I did have another fish on the line, but it got off, unfortunately. So, you know, so it is what it is. But we're still here. It's starting to pick up as far as the rain goes. But I'm not sure how much longer we're going to be here. But if we don't catch anything else, still has been a solid time. Word to me. Yeah, right? Show them how you get the weeds off, Ryan. And there you have it. There it is. That's all it takes. Look at that flexibility. Come on now. That's impressive. For real. Something else. There's one of the other ponds, as you can see. The coyotes.
There was a deer leg over here.
What? I remember you told me that, actually.
I have a picture of it. I'll show you. But
oh, wow.
all the way from over there, because there's like, if you go down there, there's like, whatchamacallit? I think Racebook Trails goes down there, and they come from
right.
there, they work their way all the way down here.
Yep. Makes sense.
Probably a fucking black bear.
You never know, man. They're all over nowadays, for real.
Oh my god, what's that fucking cat?
It's all good.
I can't wait. I can't wait.
Very relaxing indeed. Very relaxing indeed. Indubitably.
You know when I went to...
It's actually raining pretty good right now. It's hard to tell, but you can kind of see it based on the ripples in the water. If you can see. Either way, it's raining pretty good. It's kind of picking up. I'm not sure how much longer we're going to be here, but either way, still a solid afternoon of some good fishing. Didn't catch that much, but still each caught one ourselves. One each. So yeah, can't complain. All good. My first time fishing this season too, so yeah, like I said, no complaints. Word to me. Alright everybody, so that's a wrap on this video. We're heading out because it's starting to really pick up as far as the rain goes. So we're gonna call it quits. It was a decent little afternoon / evening of fishing. First time fishing this season, so no complaints. Word to everything. If you like this video, drop a like down below. Drop a comment down below and let me know your experience fishing this season and so on and so forth. And if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button for more content coming out soon. As always though, until next time, cheers and chow. Peace. You just hit me right in the shoulder. Ryan just threw something at me. All right, but now we're done here. Bye guys, until next time.